Click the Insert Text drop-down and examine the available tools. Click the Text tool. In the layout, click offshore of the stage, which creates a small label, Text. Notice that a text entry also appears in the Contents pane. The text is highlighted, ready to replace. Type Pacific Ocean. Once created, the text label can be edited numerous ways. In the map, place the mouse on the text to show an insertion bar used to edit the text. Place the mouse near the text to show a black arrow used to select the text box. Select the text box. Click and drag one of the square handles to resize the text. Find the rotate symbol under the middle bottom of the text. Click and drag to rotate the text to vertical. Click and drag on top of the text box to move it